Have you ever wondered why so many people lose money in the stock market, even when they invest in industries that seem destined to shape the future? Why do some investors build wealth while others watch opportunities slip through their fingers? The answer might surprise you. It's not intelligence, it's not education, and it's not even the stock they choose. The real difference is patience, or more accurately, the lack of it. Every day, thousands of investors wake up, open their phones, and immediately check their portfolios. They check before breakfast. They check during work. They check before going to sleep. They watch every tiny movement in the market as if their future depends on what happens in the next 5 minutes. And that habit silently destroys more wealth than most people realize, especially in the green energy sector, a sector filled with enormous potential, revolutionary technologies, and long-term opportunities. Yet despite that potential, countless investors continue making the same costly mistake. They expect a marathon to behave like a sprint. They expect years of growth to happen in weeks. And when reality doesn't match their expectations, fear takes over. They sell, they quit, and they walk away just before opportunity arrives. Today we're going to talk about the hidden cost of impatience, a cost that doesn't appear on a brokerage statement, a cost that doesn't show up in headlines, a cost that quietly steals wealth, confidence, and future opportunities from millions of investors every year. And if you've ever felt nervous during a market drop, if you've ever sold too early, or if you've ever watched a stock rise after you sold it, then this message is for you. Let's begin. Imagine this. You spend weeks researching a promising green energy company. You read articles, you watch interviews, you study the industry. Everything points toward a future where renewable energy becomes one of the biggest economic transformations of our generation. You finally decide to invest. At first, you're excited. You imagine where the company might be 5 or 10 years from now. You feel confident. You feel optimistic. Then something happens. The stock falls. Maybe it drops 5%, then 10%, then 15%. Suddenly, your confidence starts to disappear. The same company that looked amazing a few weeks ago now feels dangerous. You start reading negative comments online. You search for reasons why the stock is falling. You watch analysts on television. You refresh the price every hour. And with every small decline, fear grows stronger. Eventually, you convince yourself that selling is the safest option. So you sell. You accept the loss. You tell yourself you're protecting your money. Then 6 months later, the stock recovers. A year later, it's even higher. And suddenly you realize something painful. The biggest mistake wasn't buying. The biggest mistake was quitting too soon. This happens every single day. Not because investors are stupid, but because they're human. Human beings are emotional creatures. Our brains evolved to avoid danger. Thousands of years ago, that instinct helped us survive. But in financial markets, that same instinct often works against us. Psychologists call this recency bias. It's one of the most powerful mental traps in investing. Recency bias causes us to believe that whatever is happening right now will continue into the future. When stocks are rising, we think they'll keep rising forever. When stocks are falling, we think they'll keep falling forever. Our brains focus on the present moment and ignore the bigger picture. That's why investors often become most optimistic near market tops and most fearful near market bottoms. And nowhere is this psychological trap more visible than in emerging industries like green energy. Green energy represents change, and change rarely happens in a straight line. There are breakthroughs, there are setbacks, there are periods of excitement, and there are periods of disappointment. But long-term transformations have always looked messy in the short term. Think about the internet. Think about smartphones. Think about electric vehicles. Every major innovation experienced years of uncertainty before becoming part of everyday life. The same pattern can be seen throughout history. The people who benefited most were not always the smartest. They were often the most patient. Patience sounds simple, but it's incredibly difficult because patience requires doing something that feels unnatural. It requires staying calm while others panic. It requires focusing on years instead of days. And most importantly, it requires trusting a process that may not provide immediate rewards. That's why so many investors struggle. Modern technology has made patience harder than ever. A generation ago, investors didn't have stock prices constantly flashing on their phones. Today, information never stops. Notifications never stop. Opinions never stop. Fear never stops. The market has become a 24-hour emotional roller coaster, and every headline is designed to capture attention, not to build wealth. Think about it. How often do you see headlines saying, "Nothing important happened today"? Almost never. Because fear gets clicks, drama gets attention, and attention generates revenue. As a result, investors are constantly exposed to negativity. They become convinced that every decline is a disaster. Every correction feels like the end. Every setback feels permanent. But reality is often very different. Markets move in cycles. They always have, and they always will. The investors who understand this gain a tremendous advantage because they stop reacting emotionally to every movement. Instead, they focus on the bigger picture. And that's where the hidden cost of impatience becomes clear. Most people believe the cost of impatience is the money lost during a bad trade. But that's not the true cost. The true cost is missed opportunity. It's the future gains that never happen because fear forced you out too early. It's the compounding that never had a chance to work. It's the growth you never experienced because you couldn't wait long enough. Imagine planting a tree. You water it every day for a month. Then you become frustrated because it's not tall yet. So you dig it up and throw it away. Would that make sense? Of course not. Yet that's exactly what many investors do. They abandon long-term investments because they don't produce immediate results. They expect progress to happen instantly. And when it doesn't, they move on. Successful investing often requires the opposite mindset. It requires understanding that meaningful growth takes time. It requires accepting uncertainty. And it requires recognizing that temporary discomfort is often part of long-term success. Legendary investor Warren Buffett once said that the stock market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. Those words remain as true today as ever. Because wealth is rarely built through constant activity. It's built through discipline. It's built through consistency. And it's built through patience. The people who succeed are not always the ones making the most trades. They're often the ones making the fewest emotional decisions. They understand that investing is not about predicting every movement. It's about positioning yourself for long-term opportunity and then giving that opportunity time to develop. The next time the market falls, remember this. A lower stock price does not automatically mean a lower future. Temporary volatility is not the same as permanent failure. Fear is not always a signal. Sometimes it's simply noise. Instead of asking, "What happened today?" ask, "What could happen over the next 5 or 10 years?" Instead of focusing on short-term fluctuations, focus on long-term potential. Instead of reacting emotionally, think strategically. Because the investors who win are often the ones who remain calm while everyone else loses confidence. They understand something most people never learn. Patience is not passive. Patience is a decision to think differently, a decision to stay focused, a decision to trust the power of time. And time remains one of the most powerful forces in investing. The future belongs to those who can see beyond today's fear. The future belongs to those who understand that wealth is rarely created overnight. And the future belongs to those who have the courage to remain patient when patience feels hardest. So the next time you feel tempted to panic, the next time you feel tempted to sell because everyone else is afraid, remember the hidden cost of impatience. Because the greatest opportunities often belong to those who simply refuse to quit too soon. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on investing psychology, long-term wealth building, and smart money strategies, make sure to subscribe. And remember, in investing, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a competitive advantage.